the tariff talks, and I think that the Modi government is the only government besides the Brazilians and the Chinese who are talking back and talking tough to the Americans. Yeah, so, please, you got the content.
Arnabji, I think these people should understand that राजनीति अपनी जगह होती है, मगर राष्ट्र का हित जो होता है वो सबसे ऊपर होता है. And these people, it's very unfortunate that these people are forgetting that. I'll tell you why. Because we all should understand, we all should believe, we all should stand with the government of India, whether it is Modi ji, whether it is somebody else, or whether it is whoever it is. For that matter, if you remember, Arnabji, in 1971, if I'm not wrong, Vajpayee ji stood with Indira Gandhi ji. Correct me if I'm wrong, Arnabji, but if I'm quoting myself correctly, it was in 1971 when Vajpayee ji stood with Indira Gandhi ji when it was tough time for India. Now, why is it not happening now? Because for them, everything is whether it is NDA versus Indi or Modi versus Rahul, I don't even want to call that, but again, or BJP versus Congress or whatnot. But they should understand that it's not about BJP versus Congress or NDA versus UPA. It is India versus external pressure. So we have to stand with India in this tough time. And we all should say that nation's interest, India's interest, they come first, nothing else. Absolutely nothing else. If somebody is calling our economy dead, slap him on his face and say, what? We are the ones. 2024 May, Indian exports were $87.4 billion. Where are you calling dead economy, boss? ये पूछना है ना? नहीं, आके वही रट्टा लगाएंगे यहाँ पे. नहीं, कंपनी जी ने बोला है Indian economy is dead. So I'll also say, what is this? And now again, yes, we also should understand that India never goes down. भारत झुकेगा नहीं. They have to understand that. कितने लोग कई बार कोशिश कर चुके हैं. Period. We will never go down in front of anyone. These people might be thinking that अरे आज कोई चलो dead economy बोल दिया या कुछ टैरिफ लगा रहे हैं या कुछ कर रहे हैं, कोई अपना टैंट्रम्स दिखा रहा है. चलो भाई हम भी आके अपने टैंट्रम्स दिखा दें यहाँ पे. मुझे मोदी पसंद नहीं है तो मैं आके यहाँ पे अपना टैंट्रम दिखा दूं कि मोदी जी का ना अदानी जी से कुछ है. अरे ये किसको क्या चाहिए अब? The only thing we as Indian citizens want is we are having a stable fuel prices, we are having an economic resilience even post-COVID and post-Ukraine war. So that means my economy is strong, my Indian economy is very strong. And again, these people have a dangerous rhetoric, Arnabji. We have to very carefully examine that. And I think we should talk about it time and again, Arnabji. The dangerous rhetoric of standing and talking against India. भारत के खिलाफ ये लोग बोलते ही जा रहे हैं. क्यों? What is behind it? Or who is behind it?